Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or a comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings because we will begin with the customization of this mode. So let's scroll and find the display. And here let's localize the Nightlight. So we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can customize it also, just tap on it, and let's start with the intensity. By going to the left with the switcher, we can make it cooler, and to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish. And then let's tap on schedule because you can schedule that feature. None means the manual option. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you. So this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it. Oh, okay, it is unrolled fully. So now we have to find the Nightlight icon, which is right here. So it is of course turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and you can really see the changes in the colors. And again, if you want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.